Today on Designing Spaces, Home Sweet Home. We head to Austin, Texas to see how one young family is making sure the air in their new home is as pure as it can be. Planning a birthday party can be pure fun if you have the right tools and supplies. How one online company is a one-stop shop for all your backyard needs. Plus, we're tackling a crafty DIY project, making sure it's smooth thanks to the right sandpaper. And tips for sustainable living. Why propane is the green choice when it comes to various appliances around the house. Time to design.
We're in Austin, Texas, known for its music and allergies. That's right, the allergy capital of the world.
You know, a little known fact about air quality is that your indoor air is approximately 5 times dirtier than your outdoor air. A home really is your environment. A home's where you want to live well, and clean air helps you live better.
Tyler and Jen Evans just moved to Austin, Texas 3 months ago.
Well, we had rented the place sight unseen, so we didn't really get to experience the house firsthand. So we got a little bit of a surprise when Jen arrived here first, and we walked inside, and the place wasn't quite as nice as we were led to believe.
It smelled like someone had been smoking cigarettes inside the house or something, and it just really wasn't a very pleasant atmosphere.
And we knew that we'd be having our first baby in just a few months, so we really wanted to make sure this place was a great environment for him.
We did a lot of research on different air purifiers, and were able to find an air purifier that would help me with my allergies and also take care of the odors in here. Eventually came across Alen.
Jen asked us about an air purifier for her infant's nursery, and we told her it was a really good idea, and for a couple of reasons. One, you've got dust, you've got dander, you've got pollen in the air. They've also just redone the whole house, so there's dust everywhere. You don't really want a child's lungs inhaling those things.
I suffer from allergies, and I, have really struggled with having pets and also just being here in Austin, Texas with all of the allergens. When we were setting up the nursery, we wanted to paint in here, but then that also left the smell of paint.
Think about it, a brand new nursery's just been put together. You've put paint on the walls, you've bought some ready to assemble furniture, maybe you put a new carpet down, you definitely got a brand new mattress. Those are all off-gassing volatile organic compounds. You don't want to be inhaling those things, so you'd love to have a machine take those out.
I walked in after these things had been running for a couple days, and I was like, what are you talking about? This place. There was no smell at all.
Yeah.
It was like walking into a brand new house.
Made me feel like I was overreacting.
So it just, to me, I was like, wow, these things must really work well.
I normally would be sneezing and coughing because of Tyler's cats, and I wasn't doing that anymore. So immediately, I've seen a huge difference.
It's a really nice sleep aid for me, especially. If it's dead quiet, I can't sleep at all. I've got to have something. So it's nice to just have something that is emitting a nice noise, but it's more than just a fan that's just moving around, nasty air. It's actually cleaning the air while we sleep. So it's peace of mind, and it's just comfort, and it's a really nice to have on in the background.
Our air purifiers make pink noise, and that's proven to help you sleep 25% better. Now, anybody who's had a child knows you want that child to sleep as much as possible, because then you get to sleep as much as possible.
It's just wonderful for us because it creates enough noise where he isn't used to having complete silence, and it soothes him to sleep as well. So yeah, it's been a great experience.
I'm often asked, what's important when buying an air purifier? First thing you need to know is, what size room do you wish to treat? If you want to get your money's worth out of an air purifier, it should be where you spend most of your time. So basically, you should have one in your bedroom, because you probably sleep longer than you do anything else during the day. And then you should probably have one in another location, such as the living room, where you spend the other significant piece of your time. And then when you buy an air purifier, the biggest mistake people make is they buy one that's too small. For example, we'll say this is a 500 square foot air purifier. Well, they're talking about turbo speed. It'll clean the air in a 500 square foot room very quickly if you press full speed, but it's not a speed you can live with. So you want to buy a unit basically that'll do a bigger space so you can run it at a slower speed and actually live with it.
When they're this small, just the idea of him being sick or him having congestion, I just don't want to even like think about that, just seeing him in discomfort or pain. So it's just important that our air in our house was good and clean.
You know, your home is more than just four walls and a door. It's your sanctuary. It's a place you want to feel your best, where you want to entertain, where you just want to live well. An air purifier is a big part of that. It'll clean your air, make you feel good, make you sleep better, and overall make your life better. It's a good thing to have. This is Alen Corp. We want you to breathe better and live better for life.
Coming up, preparing the backyard for a birthday bash. How to get everything you need with the click of a mouse. Later, let's get sanding. How the right tools can make a crafty DIY smooth sailing.
Hi, I'm Minty. This is my husband, Sasha.
Hi.
And our two sweethearts, Andrew and Annabella. And I knew I wanted to be a mom for the longest time, so when I found out I was pregnant with Annabella, we were over the moon.
And then when we had Andrew, that really completed our family.
It did. So this weekend is Annabella's 8th birthday, and we are hosting a barbecue pool party here, and we have a lot of stuff to do and not a lot of time to do it in.
We sure do. So let's go through what we have to do.
Okay, great. Let's go.
Number one, I think we have to power wash everything.
Yeah, we'll move the furniture back and power wash all of this.
Excellent.
And then we'll get the leaf blower to move all the stuff so it's nice and clean.
We need to get a pool skimmer.
Yeah.
Don't forget about that.
Okay, great, yeah. And also, make a list of what you need from Zoro, because if your order is over $50, you get free shipping. So I think this is, first of all, this also needs to be pressure cleaned.
This is definitely going to need a good wash.
Yeah, and then we'll move the farm table here, put all the chairs around it, cake, birthday party, sing happy birthday here. Done.
Sounds perfect to me.
All right, let's do this.
Let's do it.
Okay, great. Okay, let's see. I need a pressure washer, leaf blower. I already have the lawnmower we got from Zoro. Let's see what else. Ooh, party cups, ice scoop.
Hey, hon, how's it going?
Hey, babe, great. I'm almost done ordering. I mean, we can get everything at Zoro.com, even toilet paper for the guests. And they have the flavor ice that the kids love.
Perfect.
I know, right?
Zoro.com is an online website where you can go and find anything you need for your home, office, or business, whether it be tools or supplies. Zoro has it all. We've got millions of products, awesome prices. Our stuff ships free anywhere in the United States as long as the order is over $50. And if you have an issue, you can call our customer service agents. We'll help you and make sure you are satisfied every time.
Oh, wow. The Zoro order got here really quickly. Hey, babe, will you come help me carry these boxes in?
Wow, that was fast.
I know. Okay, we're gonna start opening up these boxes and get started.
Let's do it.
All right. Me too. Today's the big day. You want to start setting up?
Yeah.
All right. Come on, girl. All right. Have fun.
Coming up, how the right tools can make a crafty DIY smooth sailing.
My
sister and I have been doing DIY projects together for over a year now. It's our favorite thing to do. We have built from picture frames, headboards, doll beds.
Oh my gosh, doll beds are my favorite.
Okay, so here are the doll beds that Hailey and I built together, and when it was time to sand, we knew that we needed the Gator products to help get the job done. So what we did is we got the micro zip out for the detailed parts, this mosaic and the herringbone, and then we got the big sponges out for the larger sections.
But I'm really excited about what we're gonna do today. I've been asking all week if we could do it.
All right, well, let's go get our tools. Okay, so today we're gonna be doing a really fun DIY project. We're gonna be doing a blanket ladder, and the tools that we're gonna need are a miter saw, a drill, and some sandpaper. I cannot believe we are out of sandpaper.
Again, I know.
Yeah. All right, let's see. We need
oh yeah, those are the best.
And we need 80, 120,
and 150 for sure.
And 220.
Oh yeah, 220.
Definitely.
Never mind. Thank you.
Thank you.
I hope it doesn't rain because then we have to wait like tomorrow.
Oh yeah, better not rain on us. All right, let's get started. And let's get out all of the Gator stuff.
This is going to be a good project.
It is. Now, put on your safety glasses. And then now we have to measure 2 boards that are 5 feet. All right, so now we're gonna cut these 2, and then we'll cut this one to a bunch of 18-inch pieces. Good. All right, so these 2 are done. These are our long pieces, and then we're gonna cut the 18-inch pieces. All right, so before we put them together, we'll make it easier if we sand them. We're gonna start with 80 grit because that's the lowest, and then we'll work our way up to 220. And I'm gonna work with the larger sponge. You're gonna work on the edges. And if you hold it, so here's a spot for your finger. If you hold that like this, then you can put.
Oh yeah, that's.
There you go. Nice job. So now that we did 80 on them, I'm gonna go down to 120 and you can go down to 122.
I love doing this with my sister. Okay.
Good job. All right, I think we're good. All of these small pieces are done. So let's move them to the side. And now let's start the big pieces. And then we're done. All right, let's get that.
Oh my gosh, it's already fading, I see it.
Yeah. We make a good team. It's going really well. The sandpaper works and makes the job a lot more fun and easy. All right, so let's put these pieces under it. Let's go down maybe.
Right here?
10 inches. Let's do 10 inches. So let's map it out. 10. Yep, 10. I'll show you the first one.
Okay.
So you're gonna go on X marks the spot. Go, pull the trigger. Keep going. Pull it faster, faster. Done.
Did you know propane is a clean burning fuel source generating less smog than gasoline and diesel?
Yes, that's right, Nandini. Propane is a green alternative for powering your entire home as well as much more. Today we'll look at how propane supports sustainable living.
Here are some fun facts about propane home usage. Choosing a propane fireplace is a green choice and could cost approximately 30 to 60% less per hour of operation than wood-burning fireplaces.
Hot water heaters account for approximately 20% of your home energy usage. With propane, you'll use less energy, save money, and reduce your carbon footprint compared with electric units.
Pilotless ignitions in propane stoves eliminate the need for a constant pilot light, lowering their energy use and your energy bill.
Propane grills are 105 times more environmental friendly than charcoal grills. Over its lifespan, a propane clothes dryer saves over 2,000 pounds of CO2 emissions compared to an electric model.
The shelf life of propane is considered limitless, unlike gasoline, which can start to degrade after a few months without stabilizers. A propane generator that hasn't run for months isn't going to be full of contamination or carbon deposits. The same can't be said for a gasoline generator.
When it comes to landscaping, consider a propane lawnmower. One of the main benefits of using a propane lawnmower is the relatively low environmental impact. This green fuel burns on average 35% cleaner than gasoline.
Every morning, millions of kids start their day on a school bus. A typical school bus runs on diesel or gasoline that emits 60 to 70% more hydrocarbons or smog than a propane-powered bus. This means all kids can breathe better quality air on school buses powered by propane.
Propane is a clean burning fuel. But what exactly does that mean? In simple terms, it's the low amount of carbon monoxide produced relative to other fuel sources, especially gasoline.
For more information on anything you've seen on today's show, go to our website, designingspaces.tv. You can visit these websites to learn more about the participants on this edition of Designing Spaces. Making a space you can call home. Living the lifestyle you desire. It's what we're all about. We are Designing Spaces.